Welcome back. My name is Yadira, a holistic practitioner and co-founder of Oracle of the Body. In this space, we bridge the connection between the mind, body, and spirit, guiding you to alignment and healing. For the past few videos, we've been speaking about the lymphatic system, the father of the body. The subject has been mood swings. In our first mood swing, we spoke about anger. We have spoken about guilt and self-hatred. In this video, we will speak about sadness. Towards the end of this video, I will teach you 5 reflective performance resets to help you release sadness. So where does sadness stem from? When asked, many people respond with, "I'm okay." Yet beneath the surface, they are facing struggles, challenges, and at times feeling overwhelmed. Because society often tells men and women to suppress their authentic emotions, people then begin to fear their vulnerability. They might feel that they will burden others or it can be used against them. And that triggers an emotion of sadness. But here's the thing. Sadness comes from a deep ingrained pattern that redirects the body's energy, often leading to suppressed anger, guilt, and self-hatred. Over time, this emotional stagnation disrupts the lymphatic flow, which contributes to a cycle of emotional and physical imbalances. Here's the problem with unprocessed sadness. It leaves individuals feeling unseen, misunderstood, and disconnected from their own personal achievements. More importantly, sadness is not simply a feeling or a cause. It is a habitual response formed from a lack of self-love and unexpressed truth. But here's the special part about this video. We recognize that you are struggling too, that you struggle with sharing your emotions because of betrayal. Maybe someone just doesn't listen. You're misunderstood. You might be someone that doesn't like sharing your feelings at all. But we want you to recognize and address this because you deserve healing. You deserve emotional release and you deserve peace. What we can do is begin to restore balance by fostering emotional clarity and overall well-being. Here are the 5 reflective performance resets.
Diaphragmatic breathing. Deep belly breathing stimulates the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve running from the brain stem through the throat, heart, lungs, and into the digestive system. It is responsible for activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation, healing, and detoxification. The vagus nerve is directly linked to the gut-brain axis, meaning it processes emotional responses stored in the body. Emotional suppression, especially sadness, can dysregulate vagal tone, leading to symptoms like shallow breathing, increased heart rate, digestive issues, brain fog, and fatigue. During this technique, you reduce stress and enhance lymphatic drainage. Inhale deeply through the nose, expanding the belly. Hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through the mouth. Sternal rub. Gently massage the sternum with circular motions. This activates the vagus nerve and helps release emotional congestion stored in the chest. Neurolymphatic reflex points. Stimulating points are under the collarbone and alongside the rib cage, which encourages lymphatic flow and emotional release. Apply gentle pressure while taking slow breaths. Jaw and neck release. Sadness often manifests as tension in the jaw and neck. Using your fingertips, massage the area just below the ears and along the jawline to ease stored tension. Grounding touch. Placing both hands over the heart while repeating affirmations such as "I acknowledge my sadness" and "I allow myself to heal" fosters emotional integration and self-compassion. These techniques not only assist in emotional release, but also promote overall vitality by supporting the body's natural healing mechanism. By addressing sadness at its root, we create space for authentic expression, self-acceptance, and deeper healing. Thank you for investing your time on this video and your healing journey.